What's going on YouTube? Today we got the Vanquish H10 Optic up on the bench. As I mentioned in the last video, which was the unboxing video of my second C2, the front servo is no longer wanting to do servo things. So I picked up the same servo, which is just a Pro Tech Black Label. Not bad servo at all. They're waterproof, which is great because this thing does see a little bit of water. Nothing too crazy, not submarine style, but like just enough to touch the belly pan. And I do need to get another panel set, throttle therapy panel set, because this is broken. And I did also order, I was on eBay, the Night Customs engine for the back, which it's already printed, the person selling it on eBay. So I picked that up, and obviously the teal, so it goes with the rest of the panels. So yeah, let's get right on into wrenching.
First order of business is going to be removing the 4 2.5mm screws on either side, making that a total of 8. And then on top of that, you have the 4 2mm screws that hold the shocks onto the cage. And then we'll be able to get access to the parts that we need to get access to. Now that we have gotten those two zip ties out of the way, it's just going to be 4 2mm screws that hold the servo on. Now with the Optic, those plastic blocks that go on top of the servo ears there, those have to go on top. If you put that underneath, then the servo horn will hit the servo mount, which then will limit the amount of throw your servo has, because obviously your servo horns could be hitting into the servo, and then you're just not going to have as much fun. Here are one of the plastic blocks I was talking about that go on top of the servo ears. If you have that underneath, then like I said, servo horns can hit the mount, and then you can end up smoking your servo, and that won't be fun. The servo horn, after I got the screw out, obviously did not want to come off of the servo spline whatsoever. I was going to try a butter knife to try to pry it off or get like a little bit of a gap in between. It wasn't happening. I would probably end up breaking the blade of the butter knife. I tried hitting the end of it with a hammer, the complaint department right up off the rip, and it still didn't do anything. So I ended up stealing the servo horn out of my VS410, and as you can see here, we got the new servo that will work properly and not do the things that the ones that we're swapping it out with does. Now we just reverse the process of what we did, taking the old servo out for putting the new servo in. It's just going to be those 4 2mm screws that fasten that servo down, and then obviously we're going to have to plug that in at channel 1 so we can actually, steer, because that would be nice. I didn't film getting up to where we slide the cage back into place because it was kind of getting to be a little bit of a pain in the ass. Now, with that being said, the 4 2.5s on either side go back, and the 4 2mm screws that hold the shocks on go back, and we are complete with putting the new servo in. Now hopefully that servo will last me quite some time before we have to go back in and do this again, which I probably won't record me doing, because then it would be the same thing with what I just did in this video, which I might as well just re-upload this video because it would be the exact same process, no changes.